frog stretch is a great exercise to help stretch out the hamstrings, glutes, and adductors to help improve squatting and deadlifting type motions. You're going to get on the ground in all fours, take your knees, and you're going to spread them out so they're just a little bit outside your hips, maybe a little bit more. We're not trying to do split here, we're just trying to get outside wider than we normally do. Then you're going to take your feet and you're going to put your toes out and try and get your insteps on the ground as much as possible. Make sure that your shins are going in line with your body. Don't let them come in like that. Keep them out so they're in line with your body. Go down to your elbows, okay? Then you want to think about hip position. What we're trying to do is stick our butt up in the air and push our belly button down to the floor so that when we push back, we're actually engaging our hips, hamstrings, and adductors as we push back into this position, okay? If we go back with our hips, our belly button up in the air, and we go back, we're not getting any hamstring engagement. It's all in the lower back, and that is not what we want to do. So we're on all fours, our insteps are on the floor, our knees are wide, we push our belly button down to the floor, and then we push back. Okay, this is the rocking frog. It's rocking because you push back for a couple seconds, and then you relax, and then you push back again. The idea is each time you push back, you want to try to push back a little bit further than you did before. If you can get into this position, let me turn sideways so you can see. If you can get into this position with your belly button down and push back to the point where your hip crease is below the top of your knee, then you know you're doing pretty good. That's a good spot to be in because that's where you would be in a regular squat. All right, so you know that you can get into a good squat position if you do this. All right, that is the rocking frog.